y'all, I'm coming on here trying to get this video recorded. I'm having such difficulties from my phone to my camera acting crazy, y'all. I'm just so over it right now. But I wanted to come on here and show y'all um uh some new cards, bulk cards that I got from a company called Suphouse. Y'all have seen me review them on my channel before, and I definitely love their cards. And yeah, I definitely think that they're worth every cent. These cards that they sent me, they give me like Tiffany vibes, and they only retail for $9.99 on Amazon. I would definitely have everything listed below in the description box. Y'all don't mind that back there. Y'all already know. That's babes. But anyway, so in this bulk pack, you get 48 cards. You get 6 designs in each style. You also get your envelopes. So first you have, keep it down, Levy. First you have this print here that you get. You get this style here. You get this style right here. You get this style. And last but not least, well, actually 2 more styles. This one. And then you get this one. Then you get your stickies to seal your envelopes. And then you have your envelopes. So yeah, as I was saying, these cards are definitely perfect for any occasion: weddings, parties, office parties, birthdays, baptisms, just all different types of occasions. So like I said, all information will be in the description below. Definitely click that button down below. Definitely hit that subscribe button and that bell to stay up to date with me when I upload. And I will see you loves in the next video. Bye, y'all.